let's say it together, babes, okay? I make time to take care of myself. My skin feels smooth, okay? Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Glowing with Danica. We're gonna do a DIY glowing skin routine. It's a face mask, and hopefully this is something that you can keep in your self-care bag when it's time to, replenish the skin. Okay, so for me, my skin is usually dry, very dry in the winters. So I'm feeling like today would be a good day to, share it with you guys. So this is a facial mask that you can do at home. Very minimal ingredients, probably things that you already have in your kitchen. It's really good for the skin. Okay, so I already mixed mine up, so we're gonna put it on and we're gonna chat for a little bit. Important to know, there's two things. One, that I'm not using metal, right? So this is in a glass bowl, and then also using a plastic utensil. You can use glass everything, or you can use plastic everything. So like wooden utensils, wooden bowls is fine, but you want to make sure that when you're doing this, that you are not, I repeat, you are not using metal, okay? So like regular metal spoon. When you're using things that have bentonite clay in it, the metals are going to like cancel out the minerals that are in here. So please use plastic, glass, wood. Should look like this once you're done, right? Like a smooth but thick consistency, I would say. I've already mixed mine up, but what we have in this mix so far is apple cider vinegar, turmeric, like a little bit of water, and we have the star of the show, the bentonite clay. So I'm gonna put all of these right here for you all. And then as you're doing that, you're mixing it up. It's gonna be like really small, but you have enough to cover your face. And then I'm gonna be right back. I said, you know what? Let me try it on camera. Let's see how chaotic this is gonna be. Or it might be great. Okay. And just be careful, like whatever you have on, make sure you're okay with doing it. I'm sure if something falls on it. I'm done. I scraped out the entire bowl, right? I started with the spoon. It was taking too long, and it wasn't getting in all of the crannies that I needed. So I did scoop some out and just started rubbing it in with my hands. This is a mixture supposed to leave on your face for about 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna be back. And I'll show you what I look like in 15 minutes. My face is already starting to feel tight. It's gonna dry down. So right now it's still a little wet. I'm feeling it like coming together a little. This is what we're looking like right now in 10 to 15 minutes. Y'all, I had to come back because my face is tightening up like crazy. I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like. It's even hard for me to talk. Don't make me laugh. I'm about to start cracking up. Literally. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I probably still have another like 5-ish minutes to go. Maybe I'll be a little bit longer. Okay. So this is me after like 20 minutes. My face is feeling really tight and snatched. I'm gonna stop talking and wash this off of my face. Woo. Okay, so I washed off the clay off my face. Glad to be able to speak again. My face feels so smooth right now. Like, I'm letting it air dry. I'm not gonna like towel dry my face. My skin feels really smooth. okay? And that took 15-20 minutes max. Wow. And I haven't put on any moisturizer yet. I'm waiting to let it dry down a little bit more. Actually, we gonna moisturize, okay? Before I put my moisturizer on, I'm gonna give some extra moisture with some snail mucin on the top. And that's one of these. And I'm just gonna like press it into my face. The Bentonite Clay is supposed to be good for exfoliating your skin, removing dead skin, tightening your skin, so like less reduced pores, and also like a detox for your face. So this is a quick and easy way of taking care of yourself, right? Bentonite Clay is also good for the hair. So some people like to do a hair mask. I'm a March baby, so I feel like my new year is oftentimes spring. So I'm feeling more energized already. I'm feeling, you know, ready to take on the next portion or the next cycle of this year. So I'm in New York, and where it is cold, and for the winter time, you barely hear from me, you barely see me. I'm doing some moisturizer. I'll show you which one in a second. So that's when I'm hibernating, and I feel like as soon as March came, the sun came out. The sun is out, and I'm feeling much better. There's usually this feel of like seasonal depression when the winter comes, and then like around spring, pre-spring for this March, is feeling more hopeful, more energetic, better about life, right? And just ready to start new. Moisturizer was the Dear Clears. That's what I use. And so it's kind of like a reset, right? Spring is coming, spring cleaning is happening. I'm ready. I'm ready to not wear coats. I'm ready to see the sun. I'm ready to be outside. Like, I'm ready to enjoy some nature and, you know, be able to take my walks again. I'm not a gym girl. I mean, I have a gym membership, right? But when I say I'm not a gym girl, like, I would prefer to do a walk, so the workout or whatever it is outside versus like in a gym. So just my preference. I'm also adding a facial oil on top. You can use any facial oil. This one is one that my friend, she makes, my lovely friend Shawnee. Shout out. Shout out to you, girl. My skin, girl, hold on. Let me come in closer. Wow. My skin feels great. Look at this glow happening, okay? The turmeric is an added benefit, right? The turmeric adds to this glow that we got going on here. My skin feels amazing. So my question for you, in this new season that we're walking into, how are you taking care of yourself? What are you doing to nurture yourself in this transition into spring, okay? So say it with me. I make time to take care of myself. I make time to take care of myself. I make time to take care of myself, right? We're deserving of that, okay? So I hope you try out this glowing skin mask. Very low cost and easy to do, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and then stick around for a new video. I'm just loving what my skin looks like right now. So yeah, I feel rejuvenated. I feel lighter. It's the weekend. Okay, so I hope everyone that is watching, thank you so much. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day.